We got here, this is the upper belt cover for the VRSCA, the VRod, the 2003 anniversary model. Now you can see this, we're going to chrome this bastard up. We're going to replace it with this. It's second hand, you can't buy new. So it's going to be super spunky as opposed to black and ordinary. And she's going right on the top of that fan belt. See the black one underneath? It's also got a replacement for that too. So looks really simple. On the line of videos, we'll have a look. We've taken it off. You might see this. It's got a built-in nut already welded on. The new one, of course, doesn't. So what the... so now the bike's up on the jack. Right, I need someone to rescue me. It's Cousin Pat. Oh, hang on, you got the light behind you. Cousin Pat's done a random drive-by. He's doing a random drive-by. All he wants is a cup of coffee, cup of tea, but no. He's whipped out his toolkit. Only his jack is to fit under my bike, right? Patrick's to the rescue.
The one with the greasy hands.
Yeah.
Philip has clean hands.
My hands are clean.
So who's the bunny?
Oh, what's that telling me? Patrick's already here. How about that?
He's here. Oh, he's arrived.
He's arrived.
I've already been here 15 minutes.
So this is the project. We've had to go through my nut box. I know it sounds rude, but go through my nut box, and Patrick's magically found he's no Loctite for Patrick. As a builder, what's he got?
Silicon.
Silicon. And he hasn't used 5 kilos like I would have. He's just got the right amount of silicon on his nuts. See if we can get his nuts. No, oh, sorry, that's the wrong shot. So here we go. This is what it looks like, ready to go on. When she's up and running, we'll show you what it looks like. All right. So what you can see here is the chrome cover's on now. No black and dull. We got super shiny, but we're down to the nitty gritty. We've randomly found a nut that fits. Luck of the draw. More good luck than good management.
More good luck than good management.
Exactly. But Pat, look at this, guys. This is making stuff happen when it was never going to happen. I was at the stage where I just went, stuff it, just leave it. I'm going to take it down to the mechanics, get him to jack it up on his bench. He'll be able to find something, but
I just realised I need an open-end spanner here.
He needed an open-end spanner.
So I have to take that back out.
Well, the ring spanner's going to get in its way. Yeah. But the 03 rod, it's got a tad more chrome, thanks to Cousin Pat, the mechanic's friend. Cousin Pat. All right, so here we go. This is now the bottom belt guard going on. So instead of black top and bottom, we've now got a sexy looking chrome top and bottom belt guard cover for the rod. So it's another mod for the rod. So what we've done so far on the beast, we've done the tail tidy, got rid of those ugly sticky outy indicators. Of course, we've modified the exhaust. We've not got the trumpets, we've got the straights. We've changed the mirrors because they were round and alloy. Now we've got nice chrome babies sticking up there. We've changed the levers, brake levers, clutch levers. Instead of being alloy, they're now chrome. Of course, we've changed the hand grips. We've added a little analog clock, chrome and classy. Change the foot pegs, front and rear pegs to match. We're keeping the custom, we're not changing that.
Sure.
We've
changed
the selector. We've got rid of the dull headlight. What we've got now, and you can't, probably hard to see under this light, but it's the halogen beast and she is a ripper. We've got covers on the front axle and rear axle. We popped some chrome covers on that. So we just now, which is the last piece before we can think of anything else, And we need to just spend a bit of time polishing it up. Now I'm going to polish up that alloy in between those, the chrome belts, to bring that up to standard as well. And of course, we're going to buff up, going to get more polish on those, on that front and rear wheel. Next projects. There is something coming this week. Instead of this smoky, we're going a chrome cover. So she's going to be all chrome on the front. Cool. And Patrick's still struggling here.
I'm not struggling.
I'm not gonna...
There you go, try that. I'm not struggling as much as you are holding up that phone.
He reckons it's a beauty.